Have you ever wondered how a Wi-Fi router works? It's a question that sparks curiosity, isn't it? But let's step back a bit. What is a Wi-Fi router? It's that little box, often with blinking lights, that sits in a corner of your home or office, connecting your devices to the internet. It's a crucial part of our lives today, a silent, tireless worker that keeps us linked to the digital world. Despite its importance, it's surprising how many of us don't really know how it works. But it's not just a box of blinking lights. It's a marvel of modern technology, a gateway to the vast world of information at our fingertips, a conductor orchestrating a symphony of signals that bring the internet to our devices. So buckle up, we're about to take a fascinating journey into the world of Wi-Fi routers. By the end of this video, you'll understand the magic behind your Wi-Fi router. Imagine sending a letter, but instead of a postman, you have a Wi-Fi router. The journey of that letter, or in our case, the information you request, starts far away in the vast expanse of the internet. It could be a video, a website, or an email, but whatever it is, it needs to find its way to you. Enter the modem. The modem is like the post office, receiving information from the internet. It then hands this information over to the Wi-Fi router, our postman figure. The router's job is to deliver this information, this letter, to the correct device in your home. It could be your laptop streaming a movie, your phone downloading an email, or your game console updating a game. Each device has a unique address, just like houses on a street. The router knows these addresses and delivers the right information to the right device. Just like a postman delivers your letters to the right address, the Wi-Fi router delivers information to the right device. But how does this digital postman deliver the information wirelessly? Well, it's all about conversion and broadcasting. The Wi-Fi router takes on the role of a skilled interpreter. It receives digital data from the modem, which it then translates into radio signals. Think of it like this. The modem speaks a language called digital, and your devices understand a language called radio waves. The router is the linguist that translates between the two. Now, on to broadcasting. The router is also a bit of a radio station. Once it has translated the data into radio signals, it broadcasts them out, filling the air around it with invisible information. Your devices, equipped with their own little radios, pick up these signals. The router is also pretty smart. It knows which device requested which information, so it ensures that the right signal reaches the right device. So the router not only delivers the information, but it also converts it into a language that your devices can understand. So, to recap the magic of a Wi-Fi router, this little device is a powerhouse, responsible for the seamless internet experience we all enjoy. It starts by latching onto the wave of information traveling from the vast abyss of the internet, a process that is often overlooked but is integral to our online journey. Then, in the blink of an eye, it transforms that raw data into a radio signal. This is where the real magic happens, as it's not just about conversion, but about crafting a signal that your specific device can understand and accept. Finally, it doesn't just stop at conversion. Our humble router then broadcasts this signal, casting an invisible web of connectivity around your home or office. It's a relentless dance of receiving, converting, and broadcasting, all to ensure that your device stays connected to the world. And that, my friends, is the magic behind the Wi-Fi router that keeps you connected to the world.